Today's cloud job is senior DevOps engineer, and this job is with Macquarie Group. Macquarie Group is one of a well-known company in Australia, and this particular job is in their corporate operations group, which brings together specialist support services in digital transformation and data. It also deals with their technology operations, HR, business services, and a lot of other arms. They deliver service excellence to ensure Macquarie Group is open for business, deliver on transformational change, invest in their people, and have deep relationship with their customers. For this job um, description, there are a lot of things which you need to be aware of, mainly all AWS. But before I delve into that, the location is of course Sydney, but the work type is flexible, so they are open and very supportive of range of flexible work options, including working from home. So I think you just need to discuss with them. So the skill set which they require is mainly AWS. So you need to know various AWS services in depth, including RDS, Elastic Cache, S3, KMS, VPC, Lambda, QSSNS, CloudTrun, API Gateway, load balancers. And then you also need to be aware of what exactly is a containerization using Docker, Fargate, ECS, and I'm not sure about EKS, but ECS is definitely there. You also need to be have a good understanding of infrastructure as code, cloud technologies like cloud formation, and also how GitOps work. Plus, you need to be aware of some Linux administration and configuration management, including Ansible or Chef or Puppet. Then you should also have some background of databases, including MySQL, DynamoDB, and then you need to know a bit about observability tooling around maybe such as Sumo Logic, and then you need to be aware of CI/CD pipelines. So if you look at it, it is a typical DevOps role where you not only need to have an understanding of how the DevOps work, like what are the agile methodologies, CI/CD, but also a range, a slew of various other services which revolve around it and integrated with DevOps tooling. And then you also need to have some understanding of cloud security best practices, including the AWS provided tooling such as Security Hub, Guard Duty, Inspector, etc. Plus, you need to have some Python background so that you would do some sort of scripting. So, all in all, pretty mouthful, but this is what a typical DevOps engineer does in his day-to-day role. So I'm not saying that you need to be expert in all of these technologies, but a good understanding, a working experience goes a long way, and that is the only way to get this job, in my opinion. So if you know these things good enough and you're looking for a job, then go to Macquarie Group's website by searching in any search engine of your choice and apply directly from there. They're also present on LinkedIn, and you can easily apply from there too. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. Thank you.